Are you tired of being ruled by the weather? Or too busy to keep up with chores? Wouldn't you love some good help so you can focus on the things that matter? The Bosch Series 6 heat pump dryer is the ideal helper that will perfectly dry your laundry any time of the day, while protecting your clothes and saving you time.
I was hesitant about getting a new dryer at first because I thought it would be an unnecessary expense and that it would shrink or spoil my clothes. But this dryer really changed my mind. So what it does is, instead of using a heating element inside like most standard dryers, it uses the heat from the hot air to remove moisture. It's a very clever way of drying that not only saves electricity, but also protects my clothes because it dries them effectively but at much lower temperatures. I got frustrated with my previous dryer because it was hard to get it to dry everything right. Sometimes the clothes on the surface will be dry and then the ones clumped in the middle will be moist. This new dryer is such a joy to use because it has a feature where it can sense and prescribe the drying cycle needed for each load and dries everything perfectly.
In the past, I used to get frustrated when clothes don't dry evenly in the dryer, and it was quite tedious to have to keep trying different settings to get it right. Things have certainly changed since I got my hands on this Bosch dryer. I love that it can sense the humidity levels on my clothes and automatically runs the drying cycle according to what's needed and stops itself when it's finished. So no going back and forth to check and adjust if the clothes are dry enough, and no worrying about energy wastage due to overestimation. With dryers I've used in the past, I had to worry about clothes getting wrinkled after drying. Even t-shirts and bed sheets ended up looking so scrunched that I sometimes had to iron them. I mean, can you imagine ironing bed sheets? I'm so thankful this dryer has a wrinkle guard function where it basically dries in a way that prevents the compression and wrinkling of clothes. It's great that I don't have to pick up crinkly clothes from the dryer and waste so much more time on ironing.
Because of my busy lifestyle, I sometimes end up doing laundry at odd hours, like either too early or too late in the day. My dryer is located quite close to the neighbours, so I try to be mindful not to disturb them. That's why it's good that my dryer has these anti-vibration side panels to keep things quiet. I don't have to worry about annoying the neighbours with the constant sound of a running motor. And also, I'm happy to do without the background noise.
The Bosch Series 6 heat pump dryer not only delivers superior drying results, but also protects delicate clothing and saves energy. Enjoy the ease and convenience of the best laundry care and experience the beauty, power, and reliability of German engineering in action every time.